Hello, good morning. This is what I look like when I wake up. I've had many requests to do a day in my life video in Tokyo, so I guess this is how it starts because this is the first moment of my day. I've already been awake for 2 hours at this point because I was too nauseous to sleep, so that's fun. I've taken some anti-nausea medication. My mornings usually start quite slowly. Let's just take a moment to appreciate my cute fridge. I've run out of cereal. What is this? This is pathetic. Mix it with my dessert cereal. Chocolate granola. I take 12 pills every morning to help me out with my various chronic illnesses. I have a video that's more in depth about this if you want to check it out. Hello.
Oh well, why do people want to see this? I do not understand.
This is a good representative of our mornings, is me bothering you instead of actually doing what I need to do. Showering when you're chronically ill is exhausting. I usually only shower about once a week. I'm lucky to not be a naturally stinky person, so I can usually get away with it. Also, I'm excited to announce that we have a new member of the family. So, you all know and love Buggy. Well, everyone, welcome Petunia. She's really good at dancing. Oh, hey, nice dress you got on there. Psych! It's actually a pantsuit! Hello.
It's too weird with you standing over me like this.
Hello, Loushy.
Hello.
This is how I normally talk to you in the morning.
Yep, we vlog every morning but we don't release them. It's just the only way we're able to talk.
What's your plan today?
What's my plan? Well, I've had my shower and we don't have any coffee left in here. So I'm gonna get a
don't
coffee.
Talk to me till I've had my coffee.
Oh, don't talk to me till I've had my coffee. Whoa.
Trying to help me do my physio?
Now?
Yeah.
Sure.
Thanks.
Tight? Is that good tightness?
Yeah.
A bit less?
That's good.
That's good. At home we just have a hook that this hangs off. There's no hook here, so I am the hook.
Look at these baby biceps! 3 hours after I woke up, I'm finally feeling good, yay! I should just film my, I just should pretend I'm waking up now, alright? Beep, 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 beep! Oh, 6 a.m. Oh, time to wake up and go for a run! Oh, I just woke up like this.
I love this day in the life type video. They wake up in the morning and they so clearly have a light box. Like pointed at them. It's like, oh, yeah. You sleep with a light diffusion box pointed at you all night.
Bye, Loushy. Where you going?
I think I woke up too late to call it breakfast.
Okay, bye. Gotta stop every 20 to 30 minutes or so to rest and stretch my back. Because otherwise, by the time a few hours have gone past, I cannot move. Here's a special message from Buggy. Sometimes you feel flat, but then eventually you spring back up again. Can you hear that? It's the music that plays at 6 o'clock. Just in the street, just to let you know that it's 6 o'clock. It's really nice. Check out the super cool sewing roll that I made for traveling. When it's unfolded, it's got a whole different bunch of pockets for things like scissors go in here. Whoop. All my threads are in here in this section. Got all these pockets with things in it. This was a really good way to use up a bunch of old scrap fabrics and like upholstery fabrics. I just made this pattern pretty much up from scratch, and it closes like this. It folds up like this and then buckles up so it can be transported easily.
Hello everyone.
I'm a celebrity, which is why I'm wearing sunglasses at night.
Annika's got light sensitivity from her migraine, so she's wearing her sunglasses, and it makes her look like, who sang that song? I wear my sunglasses at night.
I have no idea who that was.
Don't take this down, copyright. People.
Oh yeah, I think it'll definitely pick that up.
It'll pick that up.
Hey Litchi, what's the worst possible name for a dog?
Taxi. We figured it out, because you'll be walking around your house like this. Taxi!
Hey taxi!
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 Oh my god, we're actually gonna accidentally call it taxi.
There's a taxi behind us like this.
That was a taxi.
That was a taxi. Oh boy. So Annika's got her meds in her system now, and we're going to the supermarket.
Yeah, we were gonna go see Detective Pikachu. And I'm really frustrated that, like, we were literally about to leave and then my body was like, nah,
Yep.
you can have a migraine instead.
Oh
Which,
well.
you don't want to look at a movie screen
No.
when you got a migraine. But this lovely love here was like, Annika, everything's okay. You know what, we can just have a cozy night in, and we're gonna go to the supermarket. And I love going to Japanese supermarkets. I mean, I love going to the supermarket anytime, even at home, but it's really fun. It's really particularly fun going to a supermarket in a different country, I think.
And then I'm gonna make some dinner.
And then Litchi's gonna make us a really lovely dinner.
And then maybe we can watch a movie at home.
Yeah, they're the best.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
Clean the house as well. What a hero.
And I'm gonna buy myself some snacks and comfort food.
I'm gonna get some mochi.
Because when you got a migraine and it's real bad pain, you freaking deserve some snacks. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Yay, we're here! Don't think I'm allowed to film in supermarkets, so I'll do it real sneakily. Why is it a trend at the moment for fruit and vegetables to be really sad?
What do you mean?
Why has it got a sad face on it?
Oh yeah, I'm not sure.
Look at this cheese dessert. Oh my god. Oh, mango parfait.
I'll get melon and you get mango.
That's just cheese sticks?
Dried cheese sticks.
Oh my god, yum. What's going on with these dudes? Are you eating them? Is that why their eyes are on fire?
Oh my god. This is a seriously post-migraine.
Oh, I love these soy milks. Oh, they have so many flavors.
Fruit juice?
Fruit juice, yes.
This is a really normal thing in the supermarket in Japan, cream of corn soup.
You can get a really decent dinner at the supermarket, like a full sushi box.
Look at those bento. Look at all these.
Look at these bentos. Like these. They're like $3 to $4 each.
Yeah, not bad.
It's pretty dang good. Like, look at that. Look how much food's in that one. And it's $4. Maybe I'll get an onigiri. This is orange flavored bread. Hey, look. I see. This is the first time I've seen bread that isn't just white bread.
It's rye bread. It doesn't look like rye bread.
No. That's exciting. Wait, what's this? Oh my. With strawberry and cream inside?
Yep. And this one has egg.
How can it not be refrigerated?
And this one has tuna mayo.
Oh my god, how can these not be
This one has
refrigerated?
egg. It must be very freshly done every day.
Oh, I freaking love Japanese supermarkets. Hey, my head's feeling a bit better.
Good.
I guess it was the magic of the supermarket.
You've downgraded one level of glasses.
I'm back to the tinted migraine glasses, which didn't stop my migraine today, unfortunately. But they do help, because I used to get these every single day, and this is the first migraine I've had in quite a few weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, looking on the bright side. This is not a very common occurrence anymore. I love just walking around. Oh, like, oh my gosh, it's just cute. Night flowers. I love just walking around our neighborhood and just wandering around different streets I've never been down before, because we find just really cute new places. What did you do to my hair when you massaged my head? What's happened to it? It's gone so weird. Hey, Loushy.
Yes? Beautiful. Oh, that's so nice.
This is my snack haul, excluding a parfait, a mango parfait I have for dessert. We have cheese fries, grapes, grape jellies, sweet potato and pumpkin chips, and your girl needed some chocolate. I just freaking love this shy, bashful chef. These cheese fries are real good.
It's just like cheese flavored cardboard.
Freaking love you. How is it cooking with a one burner stove top? You're doing very well. Itadakimasu. Was this exactly what I would have done had I not been filming? Who knows? Was the pressure of having the camera on me, did it change what I did with the day? I'll never know. Clink. Clink. Kanpai. I love you.
Yeah, I'll go.
This is actually Annika from a few days in the future. I'm cheating. But I was so very close to finishing this wrap top, and I thought you all might want to see how it turned out. This is prototype number 1. I want to change some things in the next version. The armholes were a little too tight, and I want to make the sleeves even more drapey and flowy. But it is a wearable first attempt, and I think it turned out really well. Okay, back to the past. Do I still have panda eyes?
No, you don't have, I was about to say you don't have any eyes. You have eyes.
So, it's the end of the day. Well, I'm about to upload a video. So, almost the end of the day. But, now...
Work.
Now that it is, you know, nearly the end of the night, and my migraine has kind of gone away finally, and I can be switched on again, I just wanted to talk about something that we often do when one of us has had a really hard day. I think this is something that's really useful if you also have a chronic illness, or if you're just struggling with, you know, bad mental health or just feeling low.
We usually do it when we're lying in bed at night.
Yeah, so this usually happens when we're lying in bed at night, but I don't want to film us then.
Too intimate.
And obviously we sleep in different beds because we're not married.
Obviously we sleep in separate beds, and if we sleep in the same bed, we use an 18th century bundling board to make sure that we don't accidentally touch during the night.
Anyway, what we do is we just will tell each other.
We take turns going through and saying our 5 favorite things from the day, and they can be the smallest possible things.
So like, if I've had a really bad day and I'm feeling really low, it can be really hard to start off, but I'll just think of something like, for example, I got out of bed today. Or like something that I did today that I'm proud of, that was a happy memory, is I took a really nice photo of some flowers.
Yeah, it can be something as small as that.
And once you start, you actually usually find that you can think of 5. Often we'll just lose count.
You start to get on a roll. Okay, yeah. Let's do 1 each as an example.
Oh, I've already done some. Okay, what's another one? I had a really nice dinner made by my love, the Chano, and it was really yummy, and it made me feel a lot better.
I really enjoyed listening to the new episode of my favorite podcast while I cleaned up the house.
Cool.
It was nice and relaxing.
Yeah, you were just chuckling away to yourself.
Oh, it was very funny.
I liked seeing you just laughing to yourself like a madman.
See, and once you get started,
yeah,
you get a good roll on.
So that's just a little, I think, something that can really help help to calm you down at the end of the day, stop your brain from thinking about the future and all the things you have to do tomorrow. So that's our little tip from us to you. Now I have to go and upload a YouTube video and then I can finally go to bed.
And I go to bed. Good night.
The reason I got up so late this morning is because I stay up late so that I can upload videos when the rest of the world is awake, because we live in a time zone that not that many people live in.
Yeah, thanks America.
Thanks,
Can you all just switch over to getting up in the middle of the night?
That'd be a lot easier for me.
Then we could wake up at a normal time in the morning.
My computer screen is V-orange because migraines. It really helps. The program's called Flux. Honestly, anytime I see a computer screen that's just on normal now, I'm like, ugh, can't deal with it. Well, it is the end of the day, which means it is the end of the vlog. As usual, now that I have to go to bed, I have heaps of energy, which has been how it's been going for me lately. Anyway, I'm gonna hop in bed, read a book. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Stay crafty, everyone. Say good night.
Good night.
That's terrifying. Say good night nicely.
Good night nicely.
What a joker. Thank you so much to the 600 Patreon supporters, the superhuman producers, and the small brands who are all a huge reason that I can make these videos available to hundreds of thousands of you for free. If you've learned lots from my videos, or if it's just the kind of stuff you want to see more of in the world, then vote with your dollars and consider supporting me on patreon.com/Annika Victoria as a member, or for a one-off contribution, go to ko-fi.com/Annika Victoria. Your support means the world.